Blueberries, nature's answer to anti-aging skin. As you absorb this message, imagine what it would be like if your skin could look years younger, smooth, glowing, and full of life. Blueberries fight aging at the source. Their antioxidants sweep away the free radicals that create wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. Blueberries spark collagen renewal. With vitamin C powering your skin's natural elasticity, you feel your skin becoming firm, supple, and radiant. Blueberries restore natural resilience. Instead of just appearing youthful, your skin maintains true vitality and strength. Are you beginning to see how something so simple, a handful of blueberries, can become your most powerful anti-aging ritual? Sound too simple to be true? Think again. Dermatologists have long recognized antioxidants and collagen as the foundation of skin health. Blueberries just happen to be one of the richest, tastiest sources on Earth. So, why wait? Start enjoying blueberries daily, and let your skin thank you with every mirror glance. Tap like if glowing, youthful skin excites you, and hit subscribe for more natural beauty breakthroughs you won't want to miss.